W.R. Deacon & Sons Timber is a family-owned and operated timber mill in Rockbridge County that produces lumber for flooring companies and other contractors. Deacon & Sons used to be one of at least 8 mills in the county. Now it's one of 3. Stuart Deacon says he thinks he knows why his sawmills lasted since 1987.
Attrition, they just, nobody carried on, I guess.
He means family. Deacon's brothers help out with all things around the mill, from scaling logs to trucking. Timber is big business in Virginia. Virginia Tech data from 2012 showed the average price per 1,000 board feet of hardwood saw timber was around $155. 10 years later, it was as high as $292. Deacon says that the national demand for hardwoods has increased in recent years.
Business is pretty good. It was better 2 years ago, really good, but that's just the nature of the beast. That's the way it goes.
The Deacon Timber Mill gets most of the trees it needs from West Virginia. Each load of 4,500 board feet costs $550. My
nephew buys the logs for us over there, and we get trucks and bring them in here and unload them and put them in their right pile, of their species, and then we put them up on the mill and saw them.
Deacon says his company hires contract loggers to cut down local trees in Rockbridge County. He says the contractors must follow Virginia regulations for best practices when logging. That includes placing straw and grass where trees have been removed.
This is a resource that's renewable. It'll grow back. You just have to use good principles when you log.
Deacon's workers process the wood, shaving off the bark and smoothing it out. Then they cut it up into boards and they ship to their customers up and down the East Coast. He says that he believes the key to his success is reliability. One of the biggest challenges for W.R. Deacon & Sons is labor. Deacon says it's hard to find people who want to put in long hours at a sawmill. For the Rockbridge Report, I'm Ryan Rach.